How to change font on Facebook post text. If any day you would like to change your font on Facebook post text, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the settings icon on your very device. After that, you have to go to the search icon out there, and then you have to search display in the very option. After you search display in the very option, you'll see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of display. After you tap on the option of display, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down and you have to go to the option of font size and style. And you have to tap on the option of font size and style. After you tap on the option of font size and style, you can see the option of font style. And when you go to the option of font style, you can go to any of the option which can change your font style. You can go to the default, you can also go to the next option, that is Samsung one, or you can go to the option of the Gothic bold. And likewise, here's the plus icon out there. And if you tap on the plus icon out there, you can also download the other fonts you want to be uploaded. And this way, you can change your font style not only in the very Facebook text but also in the entire device. And this way, it will be very, very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.